Someone graduated at the age of 22, but waited 5 years before securing a good job. Someone became a CEO at 25 and died at 50, while another became a CEO at 50 and lived to 90 years. Someone is still single, while someone from his school group has become grandfather. Obama retired at 55 and Trump started at 70. Everyone in this world works based on their time zone. People around you might seem ahead of you and some might seem to be behind you. But everyone is running their own race in their own time. Do not envy them. They are in their time zone and you are in yours. So relax. You're not late. You're not early. You are very much on time.